So this is part 2. Go see part 1 so you can be all caught up. Then come back over here with me. I'm just going to jump right in. Okay, what else is next? So you're making your own choices. I just heard you're making money moves here. Okay. You may be one with very high ranking in the spiritual realm. Okay. And that comes with great responsibility, and you know this. So you're trying to do your part to balance the vibration, or the vibration of earth plane here. Okay. Someone with bad intentions. What's going on with that? What's going on? Somebody with bad intentions, a creep. Somebody's that's been stalking or watching you, wants to bring an ending to your success. Your physical success, your happiness. Why? Why do they want to do this, Spirit? Because you found out about their entanglements and they feel like it's unfair. How dare you tell on me? Oops. They didn't think you were going to find out. I just heard you got to be quicker than that. Okay. What else is here? So I feel like you cleaned house. You cleaned house. You removed yourself from toxic situations. What was their goal? What was their goal with this? Into a presence and strength in reverse. They thought they had it down packed to a T. They wanted to continue to gaslight you out of trusting your intuition about them. If it sound like a duck, look like a duck, then it's a duck. So this person was moving funny. Birds of a feather flock together. So this is a group of people that sleep around, mess around. And cover for each other. But the universe set you free here. Yeah, you had a breakthrough. And this person was a part of a major generational curse that you broke free from. Confirmation with the devil on the bottom of the deck. Now joy, comfort, independence is coming towards you. Okay, the truth is being aired out like laundry. Okay, exactly, confirmation. Hung up like laundry. Okay, rapidly. There's no escape. There's no way out, I just heard. The truth will be told. No, I'm not taking all of these. You want me to take these or no? Okay. Okay, so what I'm getting is the big dogs have to step in. I got the Knight of Candles and the Hierophant. The Hierophant. Ain't no more options. I'm hearing like kick in or something like this. Kick in. Van. This could be some type of bust. Somebody that was being investigated. They got a warrant. A search warrant. Let me get another deck. Okay, so I have High Priestess again on the bottom of the deck. Something is no longer a mystery. Something is indefinite. Somebody's secrets is about to be exposed. Ooh. These people are stuck. There's no way out. With death in reverse here. Scorpio energy. And they tight about it. Okay. Getting their affairs in order because it's all over. With the World there. That cycle is being fulfilled. That justice is being fulfilled. Queen of Pentacles. This Queen of Pentacles knows about this. Or is becoming aware to this. And will be moving on because she has nothing to do with this situation. Okay. Walking away from effery. Tomfoolery. Hold on, the card fell. Oh, y'all, it's the Emperor. And he in reverse. So I just heard drain the swamp. So it's a group of people that's going down. For trying to control situations. Tyrannical. Some type of tyrannical movement. That was planned or orchestrated poorly. With the sun is coming out. The Moon. Take these two? No, just read them. The Star in reverse. The King of Cups in reverse. These people may be expressing or going through a lot of despair or feeling disconnected because they know what they've been doing is going to sit them down for quite some time. The Moon reverse. The secrets are being exposed. That they tried to repress for so long. I'm going to do another part. Okay? Meet me over there if you want to keep listening.